Hey everyone, so now let's talk about how to add media to our scene. So what you can do is come here to the media files and you'll see that we have our media here. All you have to do is drag and drop with your left mouse button clicked on it to bring it into a scene. So I could bring it in like this. And as you saw, it displayed a yellow X until I let go of the left mouse button to drop it. Depending on where you drop the image and the size of the image, you will see something like mine. As this image I have dragged into the backdrop, um, it's not fitting perfectly with the screen. What we can do is right click on it and do fit to screen, and as you can see, it automatically sized it to fit within the window. Now the image takes up the full background. It's important to note that if the media has come from a location that's separate from your project, AppGameKit Studio will copy the media into the project folder. And notice that there is now some extra windows showing on the left. So this is the Scene Manager tab right over here. And on the right, a Properties tab. The Scene Manager lists all the objects added to the scene, and it lets you create text, virtual buttons, and edit boxes, and it sets the 2D physics for the scene. The Object Properties tab manages all the options for the currently selected object. So I could change any properties I need for this one. But okay, that's going to be it for this one, and the next one we'll go over scaling, rotating, and moving objects.